Welcome to Pasadena Unified's Open Enrollment. There are two ways to attend Pasadena Unified schools. 1. Enroll in your resident or neighborhood school, or 2. Apply through Open Enrollment to attend other PUSD schools or specialized programs. First, to enroll in your neighborhood school, go to that school and complete a registration form. To find your neighborhood school, visit pusd.us/enroll. PUSD is also an open enrollment district, so families have the option to submit an application to attend other PUSD schools where space is available. Sometimes the number of applications exceeds the number of open spaces, so a random lottery process is used. Open enrollment has 2 random lotteries to ensure that families have a better chance of getting their top choices. Once enrolled in a PUSD school through open enrollment, students do not need to apply each year. There are 3 steps to applying through PUSD's annual open enrollment. Step 1. Research. From early childhood education to 12th grade, PUSD schools prepare today's students to be tomorrow's leaders. Every PUSD school uses curriculum aligned to California's Common Core state standards. Our schools offer challenging and rigorous academics, STEM, arts, dual language, international baccalaureate, specialized high school academies, and much more. Visit your school of residence and other schools, attend a tour, and learn more on our website and enrollment guide. Step 2. Select. Select your school of residence or complete an open enrollment application to attend any other school. Open enrollment applications are only required for schools other than the school of your residence or dual language immersion programs. Step 3. Submit. If you selected your school of residence, complete an online registration for 2021-2022 at pusd.us/enroll. You will need to have the following information: your child's birth certificate, their immunization record, 2 proofs of residency such as a gas, water, or electric bill, and mortgage or rent receipt with lease agreement or a property tax bill. Transcripts if necessary. During the open enrollment period, to apply for another PUSD school other than your school of residence, please complete an online application at pusd.us/enroll. The General Open Enrollment School First Lottery for the 2021-2022 school year is available January 7 through 28, 2021, with online applications accepted at pusd.us/enroll for all families who live within district boundaries and for PUSD employees. A second lottery is open March 15th through March 19th, 2021 for new applicants who live within PUSD boundaries. During this period, applications of interest are accepted from residents who live outside of PUSD boundaries. Please visit pusd.us/enroll for specific information on the application process. Families can select an unlimited number of schools on their preference list in the first round or lottery. The same preference list is used in every round so that families move up their preference list from one round to the next. After the final round or lottery, families join the waiting list of every school they prefer in case seats become available after the traditional open enrollment season ends. Again, for more information, please visit pusd.us/enroll. Thank you for participating in PUSD's open enrollment process.